Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Docker Compose on VPS for multi-container WordPress stacks step by step clearly. First, ensure you have access to your VPS via SSH. Log into your VPS using your terminal or an SSH client. Update your package repository by running the command sudo apt update. Next, install Docker if it's not already installed by executing sudo apt install docker.io. Once Docker is installed, start the Docker service using sudo system start Docker. Enable Docker to start on boot with the command sudo system enable Docker. Now, install Docker Compose with the command sudo apt install Docker Compose. Verify the installation by checking the version with Docker Compose version. Create a new directory for your WordPress project using dir my WordPress. Navigate into the directory with cd my WordPress. Now, create a dockercompose.yml file by running nano dockercompose.yml. In the dockercompose.yml file, define the WordPress service. Set the image to WordPress latest. Specify the environment variables for WordPress including WordPress_db_host, WordPress_db_user, WordPress_db_password, and WordPress_db_name. Next, define the MySQL service. Set the image to MySQL 5.7. Specify the environment variables for MySQL including MySQL_root_password, MySQL_database, MySQL_user, and MySQL_password. Ensure both services are connected by adding a network section. Define a network named WordPress.net. Define volume mounts to persist data for both WordPress and MySQL. Now save and close the dockercompose.yml file. To launch the containers, run the command docker compose upd. Check the status of your containers with Docker Compose PS. Visit your VPS IP address in a web browser to complete the WordPress setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your WordPress site. Once configured, you can manage your containers using Docker Compose commands. For instance, use Docker Compose down to stop the services safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.